I think James Hardy fiber cement is what 9 out of 10 people in Kansas City should put in their houses. Okay, if I'm being conservative, 8 out of 10. And so really is the right product for basically every homeowner in Kansas City. And the reason I say that is because it's going to give you the best looking siding, the most durable siding, the longest lasting, the lowest maintenance. And again, you're not paying double. And so there's some people out there that like maybe vinyl fits their budget, but again, most of those people are still driving a $25,000, $30,000 car. And so if you can afford a $25,000, $30,000 car, like you could probably afford a $25,000, $30,000 siding job. And so Hardy might be $5,000 more in vinyl, but for what you're gonna get long-term and the benefits, like you could just finance the other $5,000 and get a much better product. And so, you know, like, listen, the downside to Hardy is that it's more expensive than vinyl and you really have to install right. So the biggest drawback to Hardy is, yes, it's a little harder to install, but not really that, because we do 100 jobs a year. It's like my guys are out there and they're struggling. The biggest thing is that you gotta follow their instructions. And so with cement, you know, it'd be like, think about if you're gonna pour like a cement island. You have way less room for air than installing another product. Same thing. So with fiber cement, it can last the longest, it can be the lowest maintenance, it can be the most durable. You get it painted on by the manufacturer, which is a much better solution than painting your driveway, but you need someone who knows what they're doing. And so, listen, there are 3 or 4 other contractors in Kansas City that do an awesome job, and they're fantastic when it comes to Hardy. I don't think they have the communication or design or the customer service that my company does, but they do a really good job installing Hardy. But like, those guys combined plus me maybe do like 400 or 500 jobs, and there's gonna be 2,500 Hardy jobs a year. And so the vast majority of Hardy goes up installed wrong. I see it every single day. And so the real con is you gotta make sure you find a contractor that knows what they're doing, that knows the best practices. And I see it all the time, installing Hardy on a new construction house or a house built in 1995 in Olathe, not that hard. Installing Hardy in Prairie Village or Brookside or any home that was built in the 40s or 50s, like those are really challenging installs. You need someone to know what they're doing. And so Hardy's gonna last the longest, it's the most durable, you know, woodpecker resistant, fire resistant. It comes with a baked down finish by the manufacturer. You get a 30-year non-paraded warranty. I give lifetime warranty on Hardy installs, so the warranty is amazing. It's ironclad. And there's thousands of case studies. Hardy's been in Kansas City for like almost 30 years. So there's thousands of homes you go look at that look fantastic, okay? The downside is you really need to hire someone who knows what they're doing.